Ka Khasi Students Union KSU kala banjur baka state reservation policy bathamai ka jila kadeben bha sanpo persen ha ka thungkam thungjam na ka benta ki Khasi bat Jaintia sapo persen shaki Garo san persen shaki we ki scheduled tribe but san persen shaki unreserved category ya kade ka jing a jing mot ka KSU kala let ben pensngo shaki dekat ka expert committee on the state reservation policy ka bala penlong ya ka public hearing ka balai singi ka belas dang ha ka lai tarik risau ha shalong ha ka jinga kren bat ka expert committee ngila ajing mot balada ya ka jing ai bha kat kum na ka jing bun pan kum taru ngisngo ba ka jing ai bha hap deng ki Khasi bat Garo ka de ben long san po persen shaki Khasi Jaintia bat sa po persen shaki Garo san persen shaki we pat ki Chirul tribe bat san persen shaki unreserved nget ya ka jing kren jonga kam de kelum lang hendre ka unreserved ka mot ben plelat ya baro ong general secretary ka KSU Samla Donald V Thaba habakren hadin ka jingalang ka weipat ka senjam kalong balada kani ka jing terwa kamla benlong kum taru ka jing ai bha ka de benlong khandai po persen ya ki Khasi Jaintia bat Garo bat san persen na ka benta ki weipat ki Chirul tribe bat san persen ki unreserved kini kidai ka artali ki jing ai jingmut bangila bu hakmat ka committee ula benram usamna thaba upentip ru baka KSU kala ajingmut balada day ban penmi ya ka reservation policy bathamai ka policy kam day bantri kam nadu kisnam balalit no kam day bandan ka jing phai dien ka day be ban long ka bathamai ban sedang da ka bathamai nalor kata ulaong ru baka KSU kala terwa ru ban bha bet 6% na ka benta ka jing thung kam ki nohikai school lower primary but primary ha ka jela na ka benta ki Khasi Jaintia ha po rilum Khasi bat Jaintia bat ya ki Garo ha rilum Garo ka jing ai jing mot ka bakhat du kolong bangi nget ba halor ka puli puthi ka bha thung kam ru ka dan ka jinga dei bat kolong ru ka bakong san habangi punyo ya ki jihikai shaki khna high school lower primary but primary in ha banya kren bat ai jihikai shaki kentien dala ki jong hikhtien ulaong kumta ngila ajing mot bahari lum Garo 6% ka bha shaki nohikai kadai benet shaki Garo bat kumju ru hari lum Khasi Jaintia 6% ka bha kadai benet shaki Khasi bat Jaintia namar ngisngo bagi Garo kinamla ban hikai shaki khna Khasi daka ktin Khasi ladangi yai daka sapho la sapho lani sanpho la sanpho lani ki Khasi bakinet Garo ban hikai daka ktin Garo na kabenta ban penjana ya ka puli puthi ngila ajing mot ya ka ni ka bha ba 6% na kabenta ki nohikai high school lower primary but primary kunthop ya ki school SSA ula benram
Already submitted our suggestion to the expert committee on reservation policy in the past few months, so we were invited now to interact directly with the respected members of the expert committee. So we once again raise the same suggestions that we have put forth. One of them is that based on, if we are going to be based on population, then we are of the opinion that the ratio of reservation between the Khasis and the Garos should be 50 Khasi Jaintia, 40 Garo, and then 5% for other scheduled tribes and 5% unreserved. Just mark my words, it's not general but unreserved. That means open. And another option is that if that is not feasible, the 50, 40, 5, then it should be 90% open for the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. And then say again 5% for the other tribes and 5% unreserved. That is our the two suggestions. And we also suggested that if the new reservation policy is going to come out, then it should not be retrospective, there should not be any backlog, but it should be fresh, it should start fresh. And the last suggestion is that we believe that with regards to education, reservation policy is also linked, and it is very important that when we impart education to the children in lower primary and primary, we have to converse, we have to interact with the students in the mother tongue. So we are suggesting that in the Garo Hills region, 100% reservation for teachers should go to the Garos. And similarly in the eastern region of Meghalaya, 100% reservation should be for the Khasi Jaintias, because we feel that a Garo will not be able, if we are going by the reservation 40-40 or 50-40, a Garo will not be able to teach a young Khasi kid, a Khasi school children in Khasi. Neither can a Khasi go to Garo Hills and impart education to the Garo school children. So with regards to education, for better quality of education, we are suggesting this 100% reservation for teachers in lower primary and primary, including SSA schools. With regards to other categories, say like middle school or secondary or higher secondary, we should go by the reservation policy that we have suggested, the 50-40 or what the expert committee will decide at the end. But with regards to lower primary and primary, I would like to stress once again that Garo will not be able to impart education to Khasi school children because he will not be able to converse with them in their mother tongue. And in the same instance, Khasi will not be able to impart education to Garo school children because he cannot speak Garo. Hence the justification for the 100% reservation. During the implementation of the roster system, we have seen that with regards to the PWD, person with physical disabilities, there is a reservation for them in each and every category. A disabled Khasi will get a reservation in the 50 or 40% reserved for the Khasi, and similarly the same with the case it complies with the Garo Hills. Now disabilities also, there are different form of disability, and there is a percentage of disability also. So a disabled Khasi, a person with differently abled person, can be included in the respected reservation quota for either the Khasi or the Garo.
Long kejengkeran jungi kentup baik sendai tolong bis baik ya ke jengla kapala. Kang bis baik ya ke jengla jung kena ni jung nunu kutong baik pun juga kam nak nunu kupus. Kami syukur orang kani kapha di baru ni kapha kasih tak baik. Belum baik sendai kau tak bayo. Kinu bala apa tebet kinu bala apa konkret siapa ni tak kam kita boleh menyo. Kajing UI jungi kalong bah kumta. Handai ke syongpat se expat kumti ke kapan wandur kumno makan ling kumno kapan pencong rum kumno kalau kena entah